Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how to fill up ED card, embarkation, de-embarkation card for Aruba. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to travel to a country, there could be requirements, right? For example, when you enter Canada, you have to fill up an arrival card. You can do it through your Arrive Can app, or you can also do it at a kiosk while entering the country. Other countries have similar requirements too. So similarly, Aruba has this requirement, and they have clearly said an online ED card is mandatory for all travelers to Aruba, including minors and infants. Okay, they have given you this information, and with this, they're gonna provide you. Okay, fine. All right. Now, in order to apply, you need to select if you're resident or non-resident. Let's say you're a tourist, non-resident. Click here, and this can be filled up to 7 days prior to your arrival. So let's say you are coming on uh, 11th. Okay, click on continue then. I'm putting sample information. You do as per your case. Of course, I won't be submitting it. Okay, first name, date of birth. Do it as per your situation, not what you see here. Nationality. Wow. Passport number. Show the submit information pertaining to a valid passport. Yes. So when it comes to information, I always recommend you do double check. Never ever like do a mistake in these things. Ordinary email address, phone number. Okay. And then it's gonna be next. So I'm just gonna put a sample here, guys. Not sure if I can do copy and paste. Let me see. Oh wow, I could. The phone number. Just sample, guys. Be sure to sign up for the newsletter and receive latest travel updates, social discount, and more. I don't want, but it's good to do that. Wow. More personal information. Okay. Country of birth, occupation, and computer. Whatever is applicable in your case. Permanent home address. City. Wow. Just sample I'm putting, guys. Wow. Next. Travel information. Which airline you are coming from? Wow, so many airlines operate there. Let's say you are coming by Air Canada. Wow, AC. Wow. Country of departure. Arrival date you already selected. Departure. So let's say you'll be staying here for a few weeks. Visiting information. Purpose for visit. Sun, sand, and sea. Okay. Place of stay. Hotel. Oh no. Hotel. Wow, they have list of all the hotels. My God. Number of visits. First, how did you book your visit? Other website. Main source of for choosing Aruba means why you are coming here. Inspired you to choose Aruba and destination. That right. Next. Disclaimer. Yeah, health costs, injuries. Yeah. Consent upon arrival. Declare notice. Next. Review application. Okay. Next. So that is how it works, guys. Of course, I'm not gonna do the payment and final, like I'm not gonna go beyond review. So I brought you back to the main page. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.